Great news everyone, ECMAScript specification 2016 has been approved! Hooray! Hi, today you're gonna know about JavaScript and its role as a language, nodeJS as a platform and basement, and surprise surprise, jQuery! Yes, sometimes they come back. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. The greatest news of these days are coming! ES 2016, also known as es7, has been approved. Fireworks and fanfare! We have been gifted 2 new features. You might say it's not a big deal. There are just 2 new features. An array includes an exponential operator. However, it means that new JavaScript shipping scheme works, so we can expect several new features next year. If you're interested in JavaScript quizzes, then you can take a look at es6 edition, developed by Kangax, also known as es7. This quiz has 13 tricky questions covering various topics about es6 feature. Don't cheat with Babel! By the way, you can compare your answers to ones listed at Dmitry Stoshnikov's GitHub page. Another one, have a look. All it takes is 10 minutes. However, all the material is explained in a very clear way, namely it describes the difference in using in as own property and bitwise not operator. Did you know that according to Stack Overflow developer survey 2014, 15 and 16, the JavaScript has been ranked as #1 as the most popular technology in the world. More and more people make a choice for JavaScript instead of using any other language, so RLE has published on Medium architecture of nodeJS with the high-level overview, the nodeJS internal codebase and its event-typical lifecycle. If you find it fascinating, then you might be also interested in one more article by Eugene Obrescu, where he describes how it works altogether. Not to mention a new search engine for NPM models that is certainly fast. Its search results are based on final score for each model, which is calculated according to 4 principles: quality, maintenance, popularity, and personalities. We have nodeJS on backend and JavaScript as a native script for mobile, so it's time to create our first desktop application using HTML, JavaScript, and Electron. Danny Markov has published on Tutorials in a small but a very useful how-to guide, following the links in that paper if you're eager to dive deeper into this topic. jQuery version 3 is now released, minus Internet Explorer's workaround, plus modern web APIs and promises, plus slim build without Ajax and effects. But who cares? Are you still using jQuery on your project for new landing pages? You might not need jQuery, really. Visit youmightnotneedjQuery.com and check it out. By the way, Danny Markov uses jQuery in his tutorials, so never mind. Have you ever seen a new animated effect on likes in Twitter? Of course you have. Now you can reinvent this heart animation using CSS with one element only. It as neither image nor JavaScript is needed anymore. Anna Tudor did an amazing work. I'm pretty sure that only way to do a great job is to love what you do. I do love the front-end development. I believe you too. This is all for this week. Thanks for watching and stay curious.